Okay, so we're having a problem with the AC. It only turns on at 4. So let's see. 1, nothing at all. 2, nothing. 3, nothing. Doesn't even turn on. 4. Okay, you guys can hear that. Alright, so alright, so we're gonna go ahead and figure out how to fix that. We did have water down on the floor. We fixed that. We blew out the drainage, and that's fixed. Next, we have to replace the blower thingy, which is somewhere under here somewhere. So let's get to it. Okay, like I was saying, this next issue, I think it's we have to replace the blower motor resistor. Alright, I got this from Amazon. Let you guys see it all. There we go. So we're gonna go ahead and replace this part, which you have to come down here and most likely remove screw here, then it just snaps on out. So let's get to it. Looks like we got water in this bad boy as well. Okay. Alright, you guys, let me show you the piece that needs replacing. There it goes right there. 2 screws. Alright. Alright, so guys, this is the old one. As you can see, popped off right here. This is the new one. Let me see if I can fix my light for y'all. Here we go. They look very identical. So one is gold. Alright. As you can see, this is still good on this side. Alright, so let's put it back in there. Okay, you guys, so it's getting cold. We got 1, 2, 3. Pretty sure you guys can hear that. And 4, of course, still works. And we back in action.